Among the Fon people of Benin, the weaver bird is celebrated as a symbol of wisdom and generosity. Long ago, humans struggled to make clothing, shivering through cold nights. One day, a weaver bird built its intricate nest near a village. Fascinated, a young girl watched and learned the bird's technique, weaving grasses into beautiful patterns. She shared her discovery, and soon the village thrived, weaving cloth for warmth and trade. The Fon honor the weaver bird in their art, remembering the lesson: nature's gifts bring prosperity when met with gratitude and shared with community.